We're at Grand Central Station right now. Check out what's going on. We have a major gathering over here where people are gathered. Lisa right there, and probably behind me over here. We're in the projects in New York City. These are the projects right here. Art on paper, you dig? There's a lot of like interesting things here. Yeah. Sorry?
We work with his sister friends. His estate.
Got it. Hi, we're on the rooftop in New York City. This is the Blizzard 2015. It's January. It's snowing. If you can't tell, look at my hair. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like New York City in winter time in January. It's beginning to look like there's snow coming down my jacket. Down my jacket. Yeah, the storm was not bad at all. Welcome to the Lower East Side, ladies and gentlemen. Got some beautiful graffiti if you look around. A lot of people come down here to hang out and party, go out, music. It's pretty slush in the street. Sidewalks kind of paved. Good pizza there, Rosario's. It is cold and windy, that's why I'm glad I have my beanie on. Here we got Epstein's classic skate bar. Yeah, skateboard bar from New York City. Shut skateboards. Zoo York in the house. Back in like 94, 93. Kids, man, what's going on? Yeah, it's cool. Sketchy water. Gotta just keep walking and trekking. This guy. See, that guy's like in the middle of the road right there. That's what happens when you snowstorms go on. This house to the street. Whoa. I could pick that guy up actually. Flowers, there we go. Let's go. It's a cold day. There's like, not really a lot of people out. It's pretty, yeah, it's not really a lot of people out right now, which is fine. All right, let's go. You go first. Ladies first.